Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, and I'm sure you are enjoying everything that we are doing on options and how to trade options. And this is again a very quick video where I'm going to share across how you can look at cryptocurrency trading. I'm going to share across last time का जो हमने ट्रेड लिया था उसका अभी क्या हुआ है. अगर आपने पहले का वीडियो देखा होगा where I have traded options on Ethereum. और साथ ही में हमने बताया था कि कैसे इथेरियम का क्या व्यू है, कहाँ पर ट्रेड लेना चाहिए एंड वो कैसे चला है. सो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आगे बढ़ने के पहले दोस्तों, if you like this, then do put your comments across so that I know you are liking these things, and you are subscribing to the channel on YouTube. Do put it across. And also what is very, very important for me to understand is if you have any doubts, any queries with respect to the trading, whether it be options, whether it be crypto, whether it be anything else, then you do have ensure that you are putting it in the comment box. So that is important. And I'm just going to share across very quickly the screen and the platform on the Delta Exchange, where I am currently using this platform to showcase how it works even on the crypto side. So last video, if you checked, and if you missed out the last video, you might want to check the last one, because I'm showing here how you can possibly look at the overall trading. And if you see here, this is the option that we have taken in the last session, and you can see we have shorted option on Ethereum of 1800 strike price, which we shorted, and we shorted 3 Ethereum, which is 300 contracts. The entry price of selling, so we sold an option at 3.90. currently that option is at 0. so ये अभी expiry है, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं आपको एक जो follow up trade है वो दिखाऊं. expiry है और approximately making around $12, लेकिन it's not about the dollars that you are making, it is more about the ROI that you are making. so ये Ethereum को जो हमने sell किया था, यहाँ पर मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत कम था, हार्डली $100 था. $100 पे $12 एक हफ्ते में बन रहा है, which is translating into 12%. लेकिन I have always tell that you have to trail using a stop loss. So you need to ensure, जैसे मैंने stop loss डाला हुआ है सिस्टम में, already you can see $5.5 पे stop loss है, so that I don't end up losing on this trade. So it's very, very important, and you can clearly see the overall margin requirement was not even $100, dosto. Margin requirement is just $75. In $75, I'm making $12 in 1 week. Now you can do your ROI, which is approximately 17.75% return in a week time. But one thing is very important, that this is risky. You should always trade with a stop loss. You should always understand that there is no guaranteed return if you are here for a guarantee, but it works. So जो भी टेक्निक मैं बता रहा हूँ, प्राइस एक्शन, Bollinger bands, these techniques you can apply even on crypto, and I'm telling you, it is working like magic. So let me now go on the chart again. So ये तो ट्रेड ऑलरेडी है जो एक्सपायरी होगा और अभी अपने आप जीरो हो जाएगा. जीरो हो गया, इसका मतलब we have sold at $3.9 and now it will be zero. So we'll be making that $12 on 3 Ethereum. That's the entire funda. Ethereum right now is quoting at 1966. You can see the price of the Ethereum is 1966. When we shorted the option, Ethereum was around that $2,000 mark, and 1800 का option हमने select किया था. So now we will go on the markets. Once we go on the markets, we will go on the spot prices. This is the platform, and you can see the Ethereum spot price is 1965. डायरेक्टली 1965 पे क्लिक किया. यू नो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, कि यार सारी चीजें मुझे एक ही जगह मिल जाती है, एंड आई कैन डायरेक्टली बाय सेल फ्रॉम हियर. सो इफ आई एम लुकिंग एट दिस इज द डेली चार्ट ऑफ इथेरियम दैट वी आर सीइंग, and I've already applied Bollinger bands on this chart. If you look at it, and if you follow the basic candlestick technique, you can see that this is the candle where we can see the overall movement was bearish on the downside, and from here we have not seen a single close above the prior candle high. So एक भी अगर 3 candlestick profile technique आप follow करते हो, आप समझ जाओगे कि जो कैंडल बन रही है, this is the candle, right? This is the bearish candle. We have not seen a single close with the three condition. तीन condition क्या है? This high has to be above the prior high, this low has to be above the prior low, and the close has to be above the prior high. Once we have these three conditions satisfied, we can say that the overall trend for Ethereum in USDT terms has changed on the upside. जो यहाँ पर फिलहाल हुआ नहीं है, which means the overall trend is down. But the support of the mid band is at $1931 और नीचे का जो बैंड है वो $1725 के आसपास है. तो जो व्यू फिलहाल बन रहा है वो है रेंज बाउंड बिटवीन 2000, द रेंज बाउंड बिटवीन 2200 टू 1930 का रेंज है. सो 1930 इज वेयर माय लोअर एंड ऑफ द बैंड इज, and on the upside 2138, that is the range that I'm looking at. Now I'm going to go on the hourly chart just to check what is happening on the hourly time frame. If I look at the hourly time frame, the overall tone for Ethereum is bearish. That is what we can see. But this is a very important multiple price action support area. So if I just clear off the screen, so this is the area which is the multiple price action support area. So see this, ये मेरा order जो stop loss order था वो cancel हो गया because now the exchange has squared off the position and it has become from $3.6 where I sold, now it is zero. So I'm making that money. And overall, if you check here, this is the low which we can see is very important. If Ethereum hourly candle closes below 1935, then we can start seeing some kind of a selling pressure continued on the downside. So what I have to do is I now have to ensure that $1935 के ऊपर मैं नजर बनाए रखूं, और अगर वो ब्रेक हुआ तो मैं पुट बाय करने के लिए सोचूंगा ऑप्शंस में. This is on the hourly time frame chart. On the upside, 2000 का level, I need a break for this coin to break above that 2000 level for me to turn bullish. Now, if I go to options over here, over short term, and I'm going to go to options right now, and I'm going to look at the options for Ethereum, where I'm going to select Ethereum, and I'm going to see that there are various expiries that have opened on the option side. So if I select say 24th November का expiry अगर मैंने select किया, right now since on the daily bias we have not closed single time above the prior candle high, my view is not bullish. I'm still bearish on the daily bias technique of the candle. But I know we are at an important price action support area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell out of the money कॉल ऑप्शन इन एंटिसिपेशन की यार ये साइडवेज हो जाएगा या शायद ये नीचे जाएगा, बिकॉज इथेरियम अब भी काफी नीचे है. सो कॉल्स के साइड पे आई एम गोइंग टू सी इफ आई एम गेटिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मीनिंगफुल ओपन इंटरेस्ट और कुछ मिल रहा है क्या मुझे, वो मैं देख रहा हूं. सो यहाँ पर अगर मैंने कॉल साइड पे देखा तो ओवरऑल इथेरियम का जो आउट ऑफ द मनी कॉल है, आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड सिलेक्ट ऊपर का फार अवे कॉल ऑप्शंस. 2200 का इथेरियम का कॉल है जो $7 पे ट्रेड हो रहा है, एंड 60 का इम्प्लाइड वॉल है. मतलब यार इम्प्लाइड वोलेटिलिटी बहुत हाई है इसमें, और यहाँ पर 7.02 पे वो ट्रेड हो रहा है. इफ आई कम ऑन द डाउन साइड आई कैन सी दैट द ओवरऑल 2250 है. ओपन इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पर ज्यादा है वो देखते हैं. नाउ आई एम सेलिंग कॉल ऑप्शन बिकॉज आई एम लुकिंग एट दी कि ऊपर जाने के चांसेस कम है फिलहाल तो, और नीचे का प्रेशर फिलहाल बना हुआ है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट राइट नाउ. एंड सो आई माइट सिलेक्ट समथिंग लाइक ईदर अ स्ट्राइक ऑफ 2200 or I might just want to play safe and I can select a strike of 2300. So if I select a strike price of 2300 for option selling, option buy कब करूंगा मैं, जब इथेरियम वो लो लेवल जो हमने अवरली चार्ट पे देखा वो ब्रेक करेगा तब बाइंग पे जाएंगे. फिलहाल तो हम सेलिंग करने के लिए जाएंगे. तो सेल करने के लिए आई विल देन गो ऑन दिस चार्ट, आई विल लुक एट द करंट mark is at 4.01, so 3.50 या 4.50 के बीच में ट्रेड हुआ. And if I'm looking at this, I might end up selling say 3 Ethereum right now यहाँ पर, and I'll see $59 का खाली मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट है. बेस्ट बीड अगर मैं रखता हूँ 3.60 पे अगर एग्जीक्यूट करना है मुझे, and I'll check. So my margin requirement is just $59. On this, I will be making around $10.8, which is like a classic ROI. अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पर नियरली अराउंड 16-17% का ROI मिल सकता है. नाउ ये कैसे डिसाइड किया मैंने पहले देखा भाई इथेरियम का क्या मूवमेंट है और कहाँ पर है. ये करने के पहले मैं एक और चीज कर सकता हूँ, मैं इसका चार्ट पे जाके आई कैन देन ऑल्सो ट्राई एंड सी कि भाई इथेरियम का ये जो मूवमेंट हो रहा है ये क्या है. आई कैन सी इट ऑन द चार्ट. आप ये इसका चार्ट भी देख सकते हो. You can see what is the overall last traded price, how is the price is moving right now, and the IV is very, very high, so that is good for us. So I am going to continue here, and I'll place an order for 3 Ethereum on the sell side. And this is how you place an order. And right now, if you check, I might be on the sell side 3.60 पे हमने order डाल दिया है. That is where we are right now, and ये रहा 3.60. Buyer is at 3.50, so I'm assuming कि वो execute हो ही जाएगा. Once it gets executed, then I will again put a stop loss. That is very, very important for me. I'm not going to trade without a stop loss, क्योंकि loss भी बहुत बड़ा होता है अगर ये सही नहीं गया तो stop loss के साथ ही काम करना है. So this is how you can possibly trade the market. This is how you can possibly trade these kind of coins, and I'm sure you are liking what we are doing. So दोस्तों आगे बढ़ने के पहले एक फाइनल चीज कि अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रहा है, शॉर्ट स्निपेट्स जो मैं बना रहा हूँ, डू लाइक एंड शेयर इट अक्रॉस. ऑल्सो you can have, if you want to experiment, the Delta Exchange link is there in the comment, and in the description you will see a Telegram group which is there. You can join that, where I can share across more of such charts, and you will like that. And also we have a mentorship program which is starting by the end of this month, and be a part of this mentorship program. You will learn a lot of things that I'm going to teach you, right from how to look at price action, candlestick profiling, risk money management, all of these things. And we are SEBI registered research analysts. So just a disclaimer, whatever I'm teaching right now is purely from learning and educational perspective, and it's very important you understand these things. So दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही, and do share your views, comments and everything in the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Become a wonderful trader.